welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be trying something that I seen on TikTok, and do I know what it's for? Not really no. But she said it was for people who got shedding hair. I do not have that, or hair that's falling out. I do not have that, but I seen it and I was like, ooh, that look fun. So I was like, why not try it? And this is it. It looks like some form of green juice, but it is okra water. It's kind of like how you do the flaxseed gel, like that you blend, but with this one you blend it. I'm gonna put a video on the screen so you can see what it is. Supposed to be good for your hair, whatever. That's okay. That's what some people say, and in the comments people like they grandmas and stuff use it on their head, and I was like, you know what, okay, I'm finna try it. You ain't gotta, you know, tell me too much more. So as you can see, it's time for me to wash my hair. So I'm gonna try this as a pre-poo and see where it takes me. But this is the consistency of it, like really slimy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get like great slip with this, and I love it so much. Okay, so so it has been over 15 minutes. I don't know how long it's been actually, but this is what my hair is looking like. Looking really good. It's feeling pretty good as well. Yeah, it's feeling pretty good. Okay, so I'm back and this is my hair now. Like the curl definition is in there. I feel like it's somewhat like a protein treatment, because that's what my hair is feeling like right now. But it also has like moisturization properties, because my hair is soft as well as strengthened. And as you can tell, there is still some pieces of okra in there, because I haven't shampooed. I just came straight here to show you guys what my hair was looking like. So yeah, would I recommend you guys try it? I mean, if you like doing DIY stuff as much as I do, then sure, try it out. It was fun. Will I try it again? Yes, because I love the way my hair feels right now. I forgot to tell you guys, a little goes a long way. I put a lot in my hair because, you know, I had a lot, and when I got in the shower to rinse it out, my hair was so heavy. It was so heavy, like, felt like my hair weighed 1,000 tons. Like, my head was doing like that. It was heavy. So a little goes a long way. I rated solid 10 out of 10. You know what, I lied, a 9 out of 10, just because of the mess, just because of the little okra particles in it. It's mainly the way I sifted it, because I didn't have any stockings or anything like that. So my mama gave me her wig cap, but that wig cap busted, so most of the unsifted okra got into the sifted okra, so that's how we got okra pieces everywhere. But it's okay, you know, I can easily get it out with some shampoo, right? It'll come out, right? I hope so. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys this thing that I found on TikTok because it seemed like fun. Like I said, I love doing DIY stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna go finish the rest of my wash day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.